Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Golden Guitar. I have a cool collab, Marshmello and Portugal man, Phoenix. Alright, these bad girls, they do some tricks here and there in this music video. If you know, you know. Now let's go into the song without any capo. No, I'm just lying. We have actually one on the first fret. If you don't want to have that there, if it doesn't mind if you match up with the sound, it's only one fret away to have it clean on fretboard. If you don't have any capo or so, you can just follow the same chords. It will sound a little bit darker, but still it will be the easiest life ever if you just choose to go with these chords. So let's move on with this tutorial, and before we do that, I have a new channel. It's called Golden Guitar 6 years ago. I need your help to grow the channel. It's a link up here. You go and subscribe there. That's the best way to thank me. Now let's focus on Phoenix. We have a couple chords, I believe 5 of them. So let's start with the C major 7 first. That will be 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Next is the G major 7 sus2. A long name for a very easier chord to hold. So that will be 3rd E. And with that finger, I'm usually muting the next string. You can have it open as well. It's a kind of muted A. I lay my finger on top of that A string and it gets muted. Then comes the open D, open G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. We have B minor next. That's a bar chord, so you place the next finger like this on the 2nd fret. You don't have to push down the last E string in the bass, but the 5 strings below are necessary. And then you need to add 4th D, 4th G, and 3rd B. We also got the D, open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And finally we have the E minor. That's our easy one. It goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. So the strumming pattern is very simple, and we're gonna stick to that through the entire song. If you grab the first chord, C major 7, one round is up, down, up, clap. So, okay, up, down, up, clap. And a couple of rounds of this gives you this certain rhythm. Goes like this. Alright, so let's start with the song, and it starts with the C major, 4 string rounds, then the G major, 2, and B minor 2. That's the first half. The second half goes C major 4, G major 2, and E minor 2. Okay, so one round of that goes. Alright, next up is the pre-chorus at 29 seconds in. Okay, so palms rise to the sun. That's where in the lyrics. What you're going to play now is a total of 4 rounds. The first 3 rounds goes C major 1, D 1, and E minor 2. So pretty quick chord switches there. C major only 1, D 1, then E minor 2. That's the first 3 rounds. The fourth and final round is to play the C major 2 and D 2. So let's play round number 3 and round number 4. You're gonna get one of each. So it goes like this. Okay, so that is the pre-chorus. Now, let's go into the chorus at 44 seconds in. And we have a total of 2 rounds to play, and that will be played twice. If you understand, yeah, you'll do that soon. Anyway, the first half goes C major 4 and the G major 4. That's the first half of it. And then the second half goes C major 4, G major 2, and E minor 2. That's the second half, and you're gonna play this 2 times, if that makes sense. So let's do it. There you have it. 2 times on that, and that is the first course. Okay, so into the second round now of everything. You gotta play just repetition, guys. It's played exactly the same way in the verse play. The pre-chorus is the same. The chorus is actually the same, and then you have the final outro part. You're just gonna play that chorus for one more time, and that's it. Okay, so playful, uplifting summer song, Phoenix. Hope you enjoyed it. Till next time, play, dude.